Hey kids, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Dad. Technically it's Baking with Dad because I'm actually going to show you how to bake pumpkin bread. That's not something I've showed before, so I'm just going to walk you through those steps. I've showed you banana bread, but not pumpkin bread, and everybody loves pumpkin something, don't they? If you go to Trader Joe's, there's so many different things that have some sort of pumpkin flavoring in them, so I thought I'd just walk you through that. But before we get started, I do have a dad joke for you. So, why was the jack-o'-lantern considered a coward? Because he didn't have any guts. So anyway, let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, but then you need to melt it, but make sure to let it sit out until it comes back to room temperature. You'll need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 cup granulated sugar. I'm using organic, that's why it looks a little brown. 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup of walnuts. Lightly chop them so you leave chunks of walnuts. You'll need 2 eggs, lightly scrambled, and 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Now add the sugar to the pumpkin. Add the cinnamon. Then add the cloves. Gently mix that all together. Now set that aside and grab another larger bowl. Add the flour. Now add the baking soda. I like to make sure this is spread around really good because you don't want chunks of baking soda. Add the salt. Now stir those dry ingredients all together. Now set that aside and add the eggs to the pumpkin mix. And gently blend that all together. Now add the room temperature melted butter. gently blend that together. Now combine the flour mix, the dry ingredients, with the pumpkin mix. Now gently mix that all together. Now add a 1/4 cup of water. It'll just make everything mixed together easier. Now add the walnuts. Notice the larger chunks of walnuts that I left. Now gently mix that all together. We're almost done. Now spray a loaf pan with some cooking spray. Now add the batter into the pan. You can use a rubber spatula if you have one, that works best. As a garnish, I like to add unsalted cooked pumpkin seeds. Now put it in your preheated oven for 55 to 60 minutes. So here's what it looked like before we put it in the oven, and here's what it looked like after. Make sure you let it cool before you try to slice it, otherwise it'll fall apart. All right, so thanks for joining me for this edition of Baking with Dad. Hopefully you picked up on some hints, and everybody likes pumpkin stuff this time of year, so I thought I'd just throw one more recipe at you with pumpkin. And this house smells amazing because of the pumpkin as well. So, and I like to add those extra cloves. I think that adds something to it. I always do that with my pumpkin pie, so I threw that in here as well. You don't have to. You don't have to add nuts if you don't want to. It's all up to you, but thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and we'll see you on the next edition of Baking with Dad or Cooking with Dad, whatever comes up next. And I hope you're well. Take care, and God bless you.